Hi foodies, welcome back to Mellowbites, and today we have an exciting unboxing video that features some premium kitchen gear from Hawkins. We are not just unboxing one but three fantastic products in the lineup. Let's start with Hawkins Triply stainless steel pressure cooker that's 3.5 liter capacity. The stainless steel body is 3 mm extra thick and is made up of superior food grade stainless steel. Not only that, it is also heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core and spreads heat evenly through the base and up the sides. This cooker comes with lifelong free service and 5-year guarantee which is provided inside the box. Not only that, it's mentioned it needs less oil, food will not burn and stick, and it has a wider mouth for easy stirring and better visibility. Again, on the other side, it's also mentioned that it uniformly heats the base. Food and spices do not burn or stick, and it works on gas and induction. Anyways, let's try opening and unboxing this cooker. It's really sturdy, and as we open up, I find this 5-year guarantee which was mentioned in the box as well. And not only that, it also has basic instructions of how to use this cooker and with lot of recipes. It's clearly mentioned what is inside the box after you unbox it. There's a pressure cooker lid, a rubber gasket, a vent weight, and of course the pressure cooker base. Not only that, onto the other side it's also mentioned how to use the cooker for the first time, do's and don'ts, how to reduce the spilling of the dal while cooking it in the cooker. This is really useful. Now let's get inside the box. There was a caution where it's mentioned the vent weight is on the top, so let's take off the vent weight first. Oh, here they have provided the stainless steel lid along with the cover and the vent weight at the behind. It's well packed and this weight is really heavy. Look at the stainless steel lid. It's so shiny, the face is just reflecting, and the rubber gasket is just given along with the lid itself. And here is the pressure cooker. It's really heavy. The handles are ergonomically designed for easy gripping, and I can feel its strength and durability very well while lifting this. The base is really heavy and it's really shining, and you can see there is no attachment. It is a single steel body. It's 3 mm thick. Wow, I just love this Hawkins cooker. Let's see how it closes. It's a simple slide and close process. It is quite easy. Maybe it's difficult for the beginners, but this is how you close your Hawkins cooker. Now let's unbox the Hawkins Triply stainless steel 1.5 liter cooker, which also almost have the same provisions like the 3.5 liter cooker. It has a wider mouth for easier stirring and better visibility. That's great when you use a very small size cooker, isn't it? I also got this cooker for cooking dal and making simple curries when you want to make it very easy and in smaller quantity. Now let's get it unboxed. This cooker also have the guarantee on the top of the cooker package, and again when you get into the cooker, and almost with the same instructions that was mentioned in the 3.5 liter cooker, so it's almost the same. Let's get in and start unpacking the box. It's packed little differently. The vent weight was attached on the side, and the Hawkins cooker lid was just tied up with the package. Anyways, this vent weight is almost little smaller than the previous one, and it's of good weight as well. And when it is unboxing about this cooker, I don't feel much difference. It's almost same as a 3.5 liter cooker. It's almost reflecting, it's shiny, but what's cute about it is it's very small and very compact. And here comes the base of the cooker. This is as well very easy to handle. The handle is really sturdy and the base is really hard. It's just perfect to sit onto your gas stove or induction top perfectly. Now let's unbox the Hawkins Pro frying pan that's 22 cm in diameter. It's just simply packed, easily removable. Look at this. It comes up with the lid as well, and I don't prefer any glass lid, and this is perfect. It is in stainless steel as well. There is also a cookbook or a warranty card on how to use this pan. Again, this is also coming with a 5-year guarantee period, and let's see the recipes and start cooking it when in use. Now let's open the lid first. It's cleanly packed but easy to open as well. Here comes the lid. Again, this is really shiny. Wow, look at this, it's just reflecting. And here comes the 22 centimeter diameter pan. It's really thick. Look at the base. And what I really liked about this Hawkins pan is that it is grill and oven friendly. Not only that, it is dishwasher safe, and that's the best part about this fry pan. And I love making so much of stir fries and curries using this fry pan, and you'll be seeing lot of recipes in our upcoming videos using this Hawkins pan. So that's it from unboxing all the 3 products. Hope you love these Hawkins products, and if you wish to buy, there's a link in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Meet you in another video. Until then, bye.